everyone, my name is Diane Eisenman, and I'm really happy to be in this class again. About me professionally, I am a nurse. I specialize in psychiatry, and I work with adolescents primarily. I love working with the kids. Most of the time, I deal with either depression and suicidal ideation or aggression, either at school or at home. That's the kids' basic problems. I work in a what we call a rapid stabilization unit. So I have kids anywhere from about 5 to 7 days, and then we send them to outpatient treatment or to a longer term treatment program if that's what they need. What I like most about this class, or this program is the ability to learn about the different things that are available to help people, and overall how to go about helping people, how to provide the best kind of help that I can. That's about all. I'm looking forward to meeting with everybody, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye bye.